Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you do that on your Roblox app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that. So all you have to do, just go down here, you will click here on this sign down here. Then it's going to take you here in this window, and all you have to do, so just go down here and you click here on settings. Then it's going to take you here in this window. Then you just click here on privacy here, and it's going to take you here in this window. Then all you have to do, so just waiting to open with you this list here. So when it's going to open with you, you just go down here. Then you come here to who can make me a member of their private server. Here you will click here on this sign, and here you will choose who can make you a member of their private server here. So if you want to add friends or everyone, or friend users I follow and my followers, so you just click and it's going to add with you. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.